Smallpox menace in Birmingham. No need to panic. The last smallpox cases were admitted to Witton Isolation Hospital 12 months ago. Now the hospital's being burned down to ensure that no smallpox virus can possibly remain. For apparently, in spite of the warning notices, children have been playing in the hospital grounds and inside the old buildings. Four tons of highly inflammable chemicals were used for the heat treatment, the most effective way of destroying any lurking virus. But another fire had already broken out among Birmingham's MPs. They claim it's a scandalous state of affairs to have left such a menace unprotected from young and heedless children for so long.